Hey guys, it is JJ27 here in fabulous Las Vegas. We got a new car. It's a little bit special. I welcome you to the Punisher! 1923 Ford Rat Rod.
A rat rod, what does that mean?
Well, there's, as you can see, there's no
body.
No body.
No shell.
Nope. This has a Chevy 350 small block.
We have a 5-liter 5.0 small block Chevy 350 engine, which we just redid spark plugs and our head gaskets.
And then over on the wheel,
we have 20-inch rims
and
with low tires.
Yep. We have the Punisher.
The little Punisher.
Right there.
Wheel stems.
This has no doors.
No doors on the body. It's a fiberglass body. Little steps
So
to
we
get
have
up.
so we have a step, and we just have to crawl into the car.
Jump in. Sweet. And we got the My Right Choice stickers on it, so we made it official, didn't we?
Yep.
What else do we have here? We have a really small gas tank, don't we?
Yeah.
It's about 8 gallons. Won't take us very far with this engine, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
You also have the Punisher in the back. And what else do we have?
Okay. Well, I mean, we have the engine.
Yeah, all it is, it's an engine. Hey, didn't we get something else that we didn't install yet?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, the whole car has been rewired, and as you can see down here, it's not hidden yet. So we rewired the entire thing. There's also a USB connector over there to charge your phone, and a wireless speaker is needed. We added some toggles right over here. One is for the fan, the other two are for lights. One is for the headlights, and the third one is for miscellaneous lights. On the miscellaneous lights, they're gonna be pretty cool. There's some lights in the back, not the stop lights over here, but these lights right underneath. And these are gonna be hardwired. It's not done yet, but these are gonna be hardwired with these. And what this does is, this currently is working on battery, but this is actually going to, when you press that toggle, it's going to give you the Punisher. Obviously, you have to be in the dark to see that, to get the effect. But when you're driving, it's going to be in the front and in the back, so you're going to have, going to be mounted like this. You ready to take this for a ride, mister?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's take her for a ride.
One thing
Oh.
that we also mentioned.
Oh yeah, this is pretty cool too, right? So the steering wheel, in order to get in, so it will be easy, there's a little pin,
this
yeah?
that can go.
And then the steering wheel just comes right off, and then it's easier for the driver to get right back in. And then when you get back in, you put the steering wheel back on. Come on, put it on. Is it badass? You like it? Yeah. See, even people driving by are stopping us. All right, let's jump in.
Yup.
I'm gonna give you the camera.
Let's go in.
Ready?
Yup.
Let's put her in. Oh, what? Oh, we're still recording?
Yeah.
Well, one thing that's really interesting about this is that this is how we got it. There's not a lot of room in here for somebody who's 6'1", but it's actually automatic, which is kind of nice. Has the automatic, just goes like this, and off we go. take it for a little spin.